Casey Burke. I'm on the PowerApps team at Microsoft. We build the designers and editors, so basically your app making experiences. And this is my co-presenter, Todd.
Hi, I'm Todd Baginski. My company is Canviz. We're a Microsoft partner, Microsoft MVP. So what we're going to be going through today is all about PowerApps and how you can embed them across Office 365 in many different places. And we're also going to show you a PowerApp we built that gives you an idea how you can extend Microsoft Graph APIs to interface with all kinds of different services in Office 365 and build a PowerApp that talks to all these different Office 365 components. The PowerApp that I'm demoing right here is called the Leave Request PowerApp. You can find this PowerApp on web.powerapps.com. Exactly how it is here today, except for one little tweak we made, which we're going to show you at the end. And you can download this and install it inside of your own PowerApps environment right now and use it exactly for the same purpose. So in this case, I'm logging in as myself, the employee. And I'm going to make a new request for vacation. Some of the other things you can do in this PowerApp includes looking at the balance of different types of leave you have available for this calendar year, looking at the different company holidays that your company has, and then learning about the different types of leave requests by clicking on them and seeing, does my leave request fit into this category or not. So to create a new request, I just click the Create Request button. I pick the type of leave. It shows me my current balance is 8 days. And I'm going to say, please let me off. And I can type in a detail section down here as well. Since I'm one-handed now, I'm just going to go like this. Notice it automatically says in the portion of the PowerApp where you can see my mouse moving that Casey is going to approve it. This is because we have set this up so Casey is my manager in this Active Directory. So you can find out, a good example of what you can use Graph for, I figured out who my manager was programmatically and automatically use that to do something in the app. When I click Submit Request, you can see if you look closely at the top of the page, you can see those little dots moving across. It means it's processing. Now my request has been submitted, and here we can see, please let me off. So now, Casey comes over, and he's got an email. That tells him about the leave request he needs to approve inside of the PowerApp. This is another integration with Office 365 in the Graph. Here we're invoking the Outlook connector to talk to Exchange and send an email from the PowerApp. Casey can then come over to the PowerApp, and I'm going to refresh it so it picks up that information. So now I'm pretending I'm Casey. So Casey, can I have that day off? It's today, right now. Oh, that's right. So I can't take the day off. It looks like I'm already at work today, but here you can see it in the top, and Casey can click on that. Casey can give a reason why he is going to decline this, and pick decline and put that information in here, and now send me an email back and decline my request. So all of that process is just facilitated, as you can see, very easily through a PowerApp. If I come back and refresh here from my view, I can see all of my different requests that I made, and you know what you're going to see when I log in. My request has been denied, and there it is right here. So we also have filtering where I can see that one as well. Where all this information was stored in this particular PowerApp is an Excel document shared on OneDrive. So here's what my Excel document looks like. I have 3 worksheets in it. One of them is the leave. Each time a leave request is made, it gets put in here, and you can see the status and if it was pending, approved, or denied. This is where my company holidays came from in the app. And this is tracking my current balance. So we have the days you start with in each category, as well as how many days you've used up. And that's really all the data source we need for our entire PowerApp. as I mentioned, you can go download this whole Power App and watch videos I've recorded about it on how to set it up, another demo like you just saw, and some deep dives on how some of these calculations and filtering capabilities were done in the app as well. I work a lot in teams with my people to do that. So I'd like to show you a scenario where you can take this app from being a standalone app and actually incorporate it into a team with some embedding. So this is the channel I've set up within my team. This is my out-of-office update channel. If I would like to add that Power App here, it's so simple to do. Just click the plus button, browse to the Power App, and it's going to pull back all the Power Apps I have access to in this particular subscription. Here's the tablet Power App we worked with before. So all I have to do is literally click 3 times. And now I've got that same exact Power App right here inside of my Microsoft team. And I can work with it just how I did before. So this will work on my phone, my tablet, in a web browser as you saw, and also embedded inside of Teams. Casey's now going to take this one step further and show you where else you can put this Power App inside Microsoft Office 365.